What is blood management? Blood management is the process of keeping your blood healthy and safe. Blood management includes ensuring that you have enough blood, protecting your blood from infection, and managing any other health problems that may arise from having too much or not enough blood. How to keep your blood healthy and safe. To keep your blood healthy, it is important to be aware of the following. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, dairy, and protein. Drink plenty of water to help keep your body hydrated. Get regular checkups with a doctor or nurse to ensure that you are taking all necessary medications and that any new medical treatments are working well. How to get blood from a blood donation. The requirements for blood donation vary depending on the country or region where you are donating. In most cases, you will need to be of legal age and be in good health. You may also need to provide information about your allergies and current medications. In order to get blood from someone, you must first determine their eligibility. This includes finding out their name, date of birth, race, social security number, and other important information. Then, you can contact them and request a donation. How to store blood. Store blood in a cool, dark place. If you have to store blood for an extended period of time, more than a few days, it is best to refrigerate it in a cold, dark place. If you do not have a cold, dark place, you can store blood in the refrigerator for up to 3 days by mixing 1 milliliter of blood with 3 milliliters of water and using this mixture as a source of transfusion. Do not use any bleach or other harsh chemicals to clean the glass shelves or containers when storing blood because this might make the virus more likely to spread among other people. Blood management is a vital part of health and safety. It is important to have blood available as soon as possible so that you can get the most benefit from it. There are many ways to get blood, but some requirements may vary depending on the location you are donating blood from. Additionally, it's important to keep blood healthy and safe by following these simple tips. 1. Make sure you have accurate information about blood donation in order to be able to make the best donation. 2. Get enough rest and avoid working excessive hours. 3. Don't eat or drink too much in one day. 4. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and night. Blood transfusions can save your life. Blood transfusion is a procedure in which blood is drawn from a donor and used to transfuse another person. Blood transfusions are often needed for patients with blood loss from surgery, medical procedures, or an illness. Blood transfusions can also be used in cases of leukemia, AIDS, or other life-threatening diseases. What are the benefits of blood transfusion? There are many benefits to having blood transfusions, including reducing the risk of disease, increasing strength and energy, preventing serious heart problems, improving vision, fighting off infections, and helping people with special needs such as AIDS or leukemia receive the treatment they need without having to go through transplant surgery. Find a blood transfusion hospital. Once you have determined that a specific hospital offers blood transfusions, your next step is to find one. Many hospitals have websites where you can find information about their services and location, as well as contact information for any staff members who might be able to help you with your donation process. Tips for safe and effective blood transfusions. In order to avoid any potential health complications during a blood transfusion, follow the safety guidelines set forth by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. These precautions include: follow all medical directions regarding blood transfusions. Use the correct blood transfusion treatment. Blood transfusions can save your life. By getting blood transfusions from a blood donor, you can avoid important health complications and ensure the health and safety of others. Safe and effective blood transfusions are crucial for individuals who need them.